All right, gonna head out to Crossroads. There's a car show event and try to capture that, see what's going on there. Hi! He's the one kind of running it. Amazing, it's totally dark. Hello. So today I'm going to do some car show. There's a car show going on here on Father's Day at Crossroads, and my son is gonna be my cameraman today. Hi, Jaden. Hi. Wow, GMC. It's a BMW. Wow. Let's go over here and see this one. Look at this one here. Jasmine, hi. It's over there. Over here.
Where's Brendan? Over there?
Hi, you like this?
Yeah, it's Ariana's
That here.
parents' car.
Oh, really?
They brought it over when they fixed it.
Ariana's car?
Yeah, they got
Wow. It has a lot of, yeah, we want to see it. Hi, guys.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good to see you.
Efren, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. I'm Elvis. Wow. So who's who's car? Oh, wow. It has all the...
He's the one fitting. It's got all the hydraulics.
Yeah, see that, and it has everybody wanting to come and see it. Let me capture a little bit of the inside. Everybody wants to see this one. Nice. It's yours? Yes. Nice. Thank you so much. Nice show. Oh, this is the hydraulic. Hi. Are you enjoying the car show? Nice. Yeah, I'm doing my YouTube vlog on this. Yes. Is it yours or?
No.
So you just okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Admiring.
All right. Yeah. The owner is there, so I wasn't sure it's a family car if you're among the. Yeah, but it's pretty good. Yeah. So the hydraulics. Nice. Go ahead and see the other ones. Oh, it's his. Nice. It's yours? Nice. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Wow, is this yours? Nice. Which year is this? 1960. Oh my goodness. Do you mind if I capture that for my vlog, my YouTube? So it's a 1960
Chevy Impala.
Wow, 1960 Chevy Impala. Let me take a look on the inside. Wow. It's pretty cool. Very clean. 1960 Chevy Impala. Nice.
Boys are running around. Mine there.
Oh, okay.
This is my buddy.
It's good to see you. This is my neighbor actually over there. So I'm capturing a little bit of this for my YouTube vlog.
Yeah.
Where's
very
yours?
nice. Right here.
Oh yes, the Tesla. Oh,
Yeah.
I definitely have to do a little bit of that. So
Yeah.
next, yeah. Which one is this? Is
So this is a Thunderbird. This is like a 2000s
Yeah.
Thunderbird. It's
Yeah.
on here, my friends.
wow,
Yeah.
nice.
He's about to
nice.
motor
2000.
swap it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
he's gonna put a big old LS in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So my friend here, Carl, is also our neighbor, and he's gonna show us his Tesla over here. So let's take a look. Which one? What year is this?
This is a 2022 Model
2022
3
Model 3.
Performance.
Yeah, let's take a look. Tesla 2022. Press to hold it. Wow.
And then Carson's in the back seat.
Oh, hi Carson, you're there? Jaden is here, by the way. You're just chilling there?
Yeah.
Okay,
I got the
nice.
AC on. So
Oh yeah, exactly. Wow, I like that big dashboard.
Oh, yeah.
And so when you take off, it can go from 0 to what?
60 in 3.2 seconds.
0 to 60 in 0 to 60 miles an hour
Yeah.
in 3.2
3.2 seconds.
in about 3.2 seconds.
Yeah.
It's so fast. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Carl. Let me. Wow, this is and the tires are. How long did these tires go?
Not
Long. Oh yeah.
20,000 miles. something
Oh
like that.
okay.
They're performance tires, so
Yeah.
they don't last long.
I see. Hey Jasmine, I'm here by Carson's car. Where are you? Oh, she's calling me. She's right here. Yeah.
Golly, she's getting tall.
I know, right? Eh?
Can you give me some money?
You-
Target.
What time?
Right now?
How you gonna go there by yourself?
Miss Bay. Her
Oh,
mother.
requested.
Okay.
How much do you need?
45.
Okay. You're gonna have to pay. Hi. How are you? Good to see you.
Are you talking about me?
His daughter, she's like
Sorry.
taller than us now.
How are you? All right, let's go to this next one. I don't know where the owner is, but I can't tell what year it is. Nice. This one is a 1966 Chevy, and look at how cool it looks. Wow. Good to see you. It's been a while. Hi, Nani. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you. How have you?
you, man.
Yes, that's really good. I love this car show. I didn't know actually. Do you do this every year?
We do
It's
it
the
on
first time I've done it. I've seen it.
Father's Day,
Yeah.
Veterans Day. Those are the past two that we had last year.
Oh,
So
okay.
I guess this year we had Father's Day.
Yeah.
We can do another Veterans Day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This
But
is
it
pretty cool.
gets pretty big and it's really nice.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm gonna capture a few more here.
Cool.
So we'll see
It's
you.
good seeing you, bro.
Thank you so
All right.
much.
Happy
All right.
Father's Day.
All right, thanks. Happy Father's Day. This is pretty cool. All right, my brother, thank you so much. Which one is this?
This is a 09 Pontiac G8 GT.
Wow.
Got 6 liter, 6 speed, heads, cam, exhaust, little blower on it. It's a nice little car. It
Wow.
runs and drives pretty good for
How
low pressure
fast can
getting.
it go when you start? Like, does it have a very high pickup speed?
It has a very high pickup speed, so it runs some low 10s in the quarter mile. Real 4-door, heavy. Like I said, it's still got AC and heat, everything. So
This is pretty cool. Wow. 2 is a Pontiac G8. Let's take a look at the inside really. Oh wow. Oh, you just started with the remote, right? That's pretty cool. Yeah, he just started with the remote. And look at that. It's pretty cool. Yeah, nice. Wow. All right. This is another Chevy. It's pretty cool. Nice one here. Next, which one is this?
This is the 65 Chevy C10.
Oh, 65 Chevy C10.
C10.
Let me turn the camera around. It looks like you. So where's the engine? The engine is.
Yeah,
That's
the
the oil
engine
tank.
up front. This is the gas tank here.
Yes. Oh my
So
goodness.
the bed hasn't been
Look
finished
at
out
the
yet.
tire size. The tires are so wide. And then you can actually see the road. So you removed the cover or something?
The bed, I just need to finish it out.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you're still building it.
Right, still doing
So you actually built this from scratch?
it. I did. Took
Wow.
it down from the frame.
Wow.
Sanded every little piece. and
Yeah.
painted it.
That is
It's a backup.
amazing. This is really cool. Let me take a look at the inside. Wow. How good is it with gas, or is it, what
With
kind
gas?
of, is it
Gas
petrol
mileage?
or
Yeah, it-
diesel?
No, it's just regular fuel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't get
Oh,
terrible
look at the
gas
seat belts.
mileage.
How do you put the seat belts on? Is it,
Well,
they go up, or
well,
what is this? The red ones?
Well, for me, these are kind of like racing seatbelts. but
Oh.
For me, I need to get some extenders because I'm too fat.
Oh. No, you're not.
But the way they'll work,
Yeah.
you know, you come in here like that. So it's just a lap belt.
Oh,
So it'll be
okay,
like that.
okay.
And so you just
That's amazing.
take it in
How long did it take you to build it to this point?
3 years to this point.
3 years. Wow. And you just have a little bit left. It looks like just the back. And the engine is a V what?
The engine's a 350 V8.
V8. That's amazing.
So it's
That's
just
amazing.
a small block 350.
Wow.
Nothing fancy, nothing special.
Oh, it's pretty cool. That's really nice. Wow,
But
good job.
All the trim and everything is all
And the lights.
paint matched to match the
Oh
wheels.
yeah, yes.
So there's really not much chrome on it, so it's all.
Yeah. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much for
I like that
sharing.
little camera, man. I think
Yeah,
it's cool.
thank you. Yeah, it's able to capture some of these great moments like this.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
guys.
have a great day,
All
bro.
right, you too. Right here, you can see. Hi Jaden, this is my son here, and hi Brandon, how are you? Yeah, let's take a look at this one. So this is this one, my brother?
1955 Chevy.
1955 Chevy.
Yep.
Wow, 1955.
All custom.
All custom made. You did it?
Yep.
Wow. How long did it take you to do it?
Probably 3 years.
3 years. That's amazing.
Been built for about 6 years now.
Does it also have hydraulics or?
No,
No.
hydraulics. That's more
Yeah.
hot rod.
Oh, okay. Let me.
Tub, 4 link,
Yes.
and a 350 Vortex. with a
350.
all-around transmission.
Wow. Wow.
It's a
Let me-
cruiser.
It's a cruiser. Let me capture the inside a little bit there. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for letting us see it. Yeah. Jaden, look at this, man. Wow. Yeah, it looks like it's a manual. Yeah. It's a standard. Oh my goodness. He built it in 3 years. It's pretty cool. Can we see the engine a little bit here? Oh wow. Then let's see here. Is it actually raced or something? Right?
Yeah.
Looks like it's raced. The suspensions are very cool. Hi. Good. Is it yours?
Huh?
Is that yours? Oh, okay. The blue one.
No, the maroon one.
Oh.
350Z.
Oh, nice. Good. Wow.
So the second one, the maroon one.
All right. So my brother is gonna show us here. What's your name?
Ronnie?
Ronnie.
Yes, sir.
Wow. So this is yours?
Yeah, it's my 2007 Nissan 350Z.
Wow. 2007.
Yep.
You build it like
Yep.
together?
Yep. Bought it all stock and I built it all myself.
Wow. Nice.
The best I've seen in person.
I know, right? He does. He actually is one of the best. Wow.
Yes, sir.
So does it? You raise it like I know it's so
So
low
sit-
on the ground.
It sits on airlift suspension,
Uh-huh.
the 3-piece suspension. I got 2 compressors in the back. It's
Wow.
full bolts on tune,
Uh-huh.
3-inch intakes, Berg test pipes, and then a Z1 catback.
Wow.
Rocket Bunny wide body kit.
Wow. That's
Custom
amazing.
headlights, tail lights.
Does it have a pretty good pickup speed when you start driving?
Yeah, it's a pretty quick car. It's a pretty quick car. It sits probably around 320 horsepower.
Okay. Let's go around it and see. Wow. Wait a minute. So did you take the wheel off or something?
Yeah.
You can take the wheel off?
I'll show you the air suspension.
Okay, please. Let's take a look. Wow. He took the wheel off. Wow. Hear that sound? Wow. Let me see. Let's make it go up a little bit. Wow. Nice suspensions.
Yeah.
So how do you put the wheel back? You just snip it back like that?
Back on, take it off.
Wow. So is that like an anti-theft feature or something?
Yeah, somewhat. It's more of just kind of for looks a little bit.
Yeah. That's nice, man. That's pretty cool.
Sir, got my gauge right here that read the pressures on it.
Oh yeah? Wow. It took you how long to build?
I've had it for 2 years now. It's about 2 years.
Wow. Great job, man.
I appreciate
Thank you
that.
so much. Yeah, this is good. Thanks for showing us. Nice. Look at this Corvette. Oh my goodness. Pretty. Look at the rims. That's pretty cool. It's a Mazda. It looked like he took off the seat from it. It's pretty cool. Look at this one. 1973 Mustang convertible. That's a 68 and that's a 73.
This is called the beauty of that one.
This one over here?
That one's a 78.
Oh wow, you built that one too?
Oh, yeah, with 2 hands.
Amazing, amazing. You guys are so gifted. That's really cool that you were able to do that. How long did it take you?
4 nights.
4 nights? They did it in 4 nights.
4 nights.
3 days and 4 nights.
3 days and 4 nights. That's amazing.
On Friday.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow, that's cool. Nice. Yeah, pretty cool. Let me. What was your name, my brother?
Huh?
What was your name?
Nick.
Nick.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nick is gonna crank it up for us, and then we see how it. Wow. He's gonna crank it up. Let's see. That's pretty cool. Nice. This is pretty cool, man.
Can I drive around the block?
I know, right? Yeah, so long as you bring it back. Wow. So it's a manual, right?
Yeah.
It's a manual. And
Don't mind the back, but
yeah, no worries. No, it looks really cool. Yeah. This- It's a nice one. Thank you so much for letting us see your car. Which one is this?
1988 Mini Cooper.
1988 Mini Cooper. Oh wow. Okay. You built it yourself?
No, so I've
You-
only had it
you bought it-
since March.
Oh, okay.
Out of the UK, but I got it in San Antonio.
From the UK? Oh, originally. Wow. That's nice. Oh wow. That's why the. So that's why the wheel is on the right
Yes.
side,
Yes,
because
sir.
it's British. It's British. So what is the make again?
Sorry?
Mini Cooper, right?
Yes.
There you go. Wow. It's nice. It's nice. So how good is it with gas?
So I just go around town. This is the furthest trip I've gone with it so far.
Yeah.
But it's only 5 gallons.
Yeah.
It's got about, it's just 50 horsepower. That's about it.
So it's more just in
Yeah, around
town,
town,
not long
short
distances.
distance,
Yeah. That's pretty cool. So if it breaks down, do you know how to fix it?
Yeah.
Do you do? Oh, wow.
So I've done tune-ups on it.
Yeah.
Just to get it running right, you have to do the valves,
Yeah.
cool and flush,
Yes.
mess with the clutch.
Right. That's nice. Very nice. Wow. Thank
Hard work on it, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for letting us see it.
Yeah, no problem.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this BMWs over here. together?
So if you look at the from Malu, take a picture of it on the back.
On the back?
On the bumper.
Yeah.
That's the account for the Instagram.
Oh. You can check it out there on the Instagram account. Yeah. Thank you so much for letting us see it. So which one is this?
This is originally was a brand new M4 competition.
Uh-huh.
Went to Home Depot.
Yeah.
Got the sharpest blade.
Yes.
Got it.
Wow. It is pretty cool. How is the pickup speed with it? Is it very fast? Can it go fast?
You can go fast, but I really
You don't want to.
I don't race.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
like racing.
You don't
You gotta go
race
to the
it.
track for that.
I like the wheel.
Thank you.
It
Yeah,
looks like a joystick for an airplane.
Yes,
Yeah.
we sell these, so you can see on a
Oh,
car.
really? Yeah. So the on the
Sorry,
card you
these guys
gave
are
me.
moving, I gotta follow them. because
Oh, okay.
my
Yeah.
phone died, I have
All
to
right.
find
Good. Good. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Those are nice BMWs there. Okay. All right. Thanks.
I think this is a Supra. No, that's a Toyota.
Yeah.
That's a Supra. Yeah, it's a Supra.
Oh, okay. Toyota Supra. Yeah, Toyota Supra. Is it? Oh, okay, okay. These are race cars, actually. Pretty cool. Wow, look at this suspension. Look at this one, Jaden. Which one is this? Yeah, what model is it? I don't know if it's. I think it's a Volkswagen. I'm not sure. If you know it, please comment below and let us know which one this is. It is pretty cool too. For the car show event here at Crossroads Church, it was really amazing. As you can see, this one I don't know which one it is, but maybe this sign. I don't know if that's the sign of it, but it was really cool. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and let us know what you think about this. And finally, maybe we can do a car show for my car too. It was fun. So it'll go down. You can see. Yeah, and it's raised up now. still rising. Actually, it takes a little bit, but it's still rising. So these suspensions are pretty cool because if there's a lot of water on the road, it can actually raise itself up. So, all right. Thanks, Jaden, for being my cameraman today. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks. All right, we're gonna head back now. And put the seatbelt on.